trophies to compare with your glory. So I'll keep reaching over for you. I wanna know you more than I have before. Risking everything to live the songs I sing. For the one who holds the world is after more than words, he wants it all. No, I don't deserve this, only you make me worthy. So I'll keep reaching over for you. There's no treasures or trophies to compare with your glory. So I'll keep reaching over for you. I wanna know your love, love that declares it's done. The Lamb that left the throne to heal my heart of stone. For the one who holds the world is after more than words. He wants it all. He wants it all. No, I don't deserve this, only you make me worthy. So I'll keep reaching over for you.
Dear Wildfire Corps, looking back on our 2023 journey, nag-uumapaw sa galak ang puso ko habang inaalala ang bawat sandaling pinagsamahan natin. Bawat tawa, bawat laban, pagdiriwang, persecutions, pagkaubos ng grupo, pagsubok, pagkadapa, hanggang sa muling pagbangon. Ikaw ang naging sandigan, naging sandalan, pangalawa sa Panginoon. Salamat at dahil sa buhay mo, naramdaman kong sa bawat laban, may kasama ako, buto ng buto, laman ng laman. Salamat at dahil sa buhay mo, naging magaan ang mga mabibigat na laban. Salamat at dahil sa buhay mo, naramdaman ko ang kahulugan ng pag-ibig ni Kristo. Salamat sa buhay mo at naramdaman ko ang joy of salvation. Salamat sa pag-akay mo sa akin sa mga oras na nanghina ko. Salamat sa pagtukod, hindi lang sa grupo, kundi maging sa personal kong mga laban. Nakasama kitang tuminding. Salamat. Salamat at hindi ka nang iwan. Salamat at nanatili ka. Salamat at lumaban ka. Salamat nakasama kita. At salamat na harap tayo sa susunod na taon ng magkasama. At kasama ang Lord sa gitna natin. Haharap tayo sa 2024 ng malakas, ng malalim, masaya, nahilom at bilang isa. We have been weathered and refined with storms in 2023. And we will harvest our labor and grow together in 2024. Wildfire Corps, may the coming year be filled with God's grace to bring us closer together. May we continue to grow together in spreading the light and love of Jesus. Salamat Wildfire Corps, ikaw at ako sa 2024 at sa marami pang taong darating. Salamat.